Hello and welcome to a new episode of Trains App, and today we're at Byfleet New Haw on the South Western Mainline. We're seeing service from South Western Railway, of all things. To kick things off is going to be South Western Railway 159s going from London Waterloo to Exeter St David's and Bristol Temple Meads. We've got a plethora of 159s here. Leading the way is 159015. 158886 and 159006. Smoking like a good one. Okay, the next train to pass by, if I can get the focus to play ball, is going to be a South Western Railway 450 going from London Waterloo to Havant. Worked by 450009. 45120s on the rear, and forget what I said, it's actually going to Alton. I'm going to keep a recording as there will be a Havant to London Waterloo train passing by. And then the train that will be behind me will be going to Havant. And I haven't got a clue. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I thought it was rather good. Right, leading the way is 444030. 564's on the rear of that. 037's on the rear of that. I haven't got a clue it was on the front of the 450 set. I saw a crossover though. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a South Western Railway 444 going from London Waterloo to Weymouth. This is worked by 444008. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a South Western Railway 159 going from Salisbury to London Waterloo. (159.022). Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of South Western Railway 444s going from Weymouth to London Waterloo. 444036 leading. With 444019 bringing up the rear. And if you're doing an about turn, we see some 450s going from Alton to London Waterloo with 450080 leading. And 450559 bringing up the rear. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of South Western Railway Class 450s going from London Waterloo to Poole. Leading the way is 450113. With 450082 bringing up the rear. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of South Western Railway Class 450s going from Havant to London Waterloo. 450562 leading. With 450076 bringing up the rear with a bit of dust being kicked up as well. I'll have to check that. Oh, we'll find out when the next train passes by. Oh, there it is. Okay, so right, that was... Yeah, so the other 450 was from Basingstoke. This is from Havant to London Waterloo. And this is being worked by 450550. With 450034 bringing up the rear. Okay, the next train to arrive, running 5 minutes late, is the 1300 South Western Railway service to Woking.
South Western Railway
I'm already ahead of you, mate. This is being worked by 455849. That's near completely empty. Okay, and down there is going to be a London to Hazelmere South Western Railway service worked by a pair of 444s. As the 1300 service to Woking is about ready to depart. Leading that is 444014. With 009 bringing up the rear. Bless you. Okay, the next train to arrive is the 1310 South Western Railway commuter service, or yeah, well, basically it's a local commuter service from Woking to London Waterloo. This is worked by 455856. And again, near enough completely empty. Okay, the next train to pass by is a South Western Railway 450, or pair of 450s, going from Poole to London Waterloo with 450033 leading. And 450023 trailing. Okay, I'm going to keep her rolling as the next train to pass by is going to be a South Western Railway 159 going from London Waterloo to Salisbury. Giving it what for is going to be 159104. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of South Western Railway Class 450s going from London Waterloo to Basingstoke. Leading the way is a very clean 450012. On the rear is 450083. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a South Western Railway service going from Hazelmere to London Waterloo. Young lad down there, very happy. 450084. With 450092 bringing up the rear. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of South Western Railway Class 450s going to Havant from London Waterloo with 450127 leading. With 450112 bringing up the rear. Okay, the next train to pass by is an army of 159s from Frome and Exeter St Davis to London Waterloo, 159004 leading. .016 in the middle and 009 on the rear. And then the next train to pass by is a South Western Railway Class 450 going from London Waterloo to Alton. Leading the way is 450.031. With 450.017 bringing up the rear. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of South Western Railway units, 444s, that's the one, going from Weymouth to London Waterloo with 444.020 leading. With 444.038 creating a bit of a racket on the rear. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of South Western Railway Class 450s going from Alton to London Waterloo. Leading the way is going to be 450.005. With 450.565 bringing up the rear. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a South Western Railway service going from London Waterloo to Weymouth, worked by a singular 444 unit. This has been worked by 444.042. Okay, we've got a race going on here between the 1330 South Western Railway service to Woking and a South Western Railway service off to Fareham. It's, well, the local stopper has won. Oh, hello, and we've got the Hazelmere service to London Waterloo. 450.072 is here, 456.008 is there, 450.008 was the service there. And 450.072 was on the rear of that other service. Oh, there was a... Oh, hold on, there was... Oh, wait, what? There's two things... Oh, okay, yeah, fine, right, good, yeah, fine, good, well, yeah, wonderful, crack on, have a biscuit. Okay, departing 3 minutes late is the 1330 South Western Railway service to Woking. On the rear of this was 455.854. I'm getting 458s in me because I'm looking forward to them already. Oh, dearie me. I need a beer. So, as she continues on, which I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked it today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do go back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Nice enough station. Really, if using your thing, Byfleet is probably, well, West Byfleet, sorry, is probably the better of the two. Byfleet New Haw has got, hey, it's got some bits to it. You've got a junction just centre shot there, and then you can see in the middle of the shot just now, like cutting in the trees, and that's like a line that goes via Staines. So if you ever get diversions going through, then this is probably one of the better places to go because you then see that junction being used. It gets used by freight. You've got the Mountfield to Southampton aggregates train that will be coming off that junction later on this afternoon. And there's also going to be a DRS locomotive going from Crewe Gresty Bridge to East Arlington Works. Won't be seeing that unfortunately, as will be further down the line. But my next station is going to be Weybridge. Looking forward to filming there. Passed through it plenty of times and it looks like a decent station to film at. So looking forward to seeing what the crack is going to be. So, until next time, from me here at Byfleet New Haw, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.